I am Rajesh Thomas. I am working for Matheson Bosanquet Enterprises Parkside Estate, Nilgiris as the Assistant General Manager of this tea plantation. I am in charge of the operations for both plantation and at the factory. My responsibilities include all field operations like plucking, weed control, pest and disease control, and nutrient management. And in the factory, I am responsible for all aspects of tea manufacture, including quality control. Parkside Tea Estate is one of the leading and most modern tea factory and plantation in southern India. I am a second generation tea planter and my father was also a tea planter. My love for tea and tea plantations started when I was small. I have more than 28 years experience in this field. I am also deeply interested in the history of tea, especially the history of tea in southern India. In my spare time, I do a lot of research and try to find more interesting aspects about the history and the origin of tea plantations in South India. I do have my own blog, personal blog, for which I do contribute as regularly as possible. To the people of United Kingdom, the tea that you drink has a very interesting journey from across the seas from the hills of the Nilgiri Mountains. Tea as a drink is a personal choice and it can be drunk in any manner or form which we like. You can drink it with milk, without milk, with honey, with lemon, or any other which way you like. There is no right or wrong way to make or to drink tea. Tea is the most refreshing drink which can be drunk anytime at any place in the world.